Let me show you how to transfer files from your Samsung Galaxy S26 to USB flash drive. So first, if you have USB flash drive, which is old type of USB, you'll need adapter like this, which converts it to Type-C. If you have a flash drive already with Type-C, you can simply plug it in your phone. Okay, so it starts to work, and then on the top here, you see a new notification with USB storage added. So if you click that, it will bring you straight to the USB flash drive, essentially. If it doesn't, you can also swipe up and go to the Samsung folder here, and in the My Files. Okay, and over here you have the USB storage that you can access. So also, if you perhaps want to format it, you would click here these three dots, and you see we have the format option for it. For example, let's do it. Okay, it will take some while to format, and you see it's done. Then if you want to transfer something to the drive, so you click, for example, let's say image or videos, so find whatever you want. Then let's simply select which stuff I want to transfer and click copy or move maybe. And then on the top here, you swipe like this, and you'll see your USB storage here. We can either copy directly or also make a folder for it. So name it whatever you want, okay, and copy here. And the files got copied there. You can even overview as well. So if you want to remove it, so click over here and click unmount. Wait a bit, and you see unmounted, and we can remove it from our phone. Good luck.